Okay, we're going to finish up taking this radiator support out. We've already got most of it loose. Got a few more bolts to go, and then hopefully it will come out of there. I got one down here. Don't want to lose them dudes. Bear with me while we get this lift down. Nice to have that lift. Okay. Got a couple of bolts at the top on each side of this radiator support. And the panels there I'm going to take out. Probably wouldn't have to, but I'm going to. Swap out sockets here, go from 1/2 inch to 7/16. Got oil all over my hands. I oiled that air ratchet before I started today, and it's blowing it out. Okay, so much for that. Okay, in theory, this should come out of there. Get that hose back out of the way. Got some wires I didn't disconnect. There we go. And out she comes. So, next thing we got to do before we attempt to put the new cross-flow cold case aluminum radiator back in, I'm going to do a little cleanup and brighten up on some of that aluminum there in the front. I'm going to go ahead and replace the 2 heater hoses, get the old radiator hoses off because we're going to have to go with different ones. Got this one heater hose here in stock. I'm going to have to go down to Napa and get that one there. That's a molded 5/8 hose. Actually, it's a Ford heater hose, by the way.
You said the F word.
I know, but back when we built this thing originally, I needed a hose that wouldn't kink. So I went down to the local Napa store, which used to be our store years ago, and went in the back and picked out that molded hose right there. And there, the rest is history. But I believe we're good to go. Stay tuned for more to come, folks.